Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look for you, and this is a date night makeup look that I decided to do. And I do apologize for the lighting in the video. It is hot here right now, and this area was the best place for me to film, so that way I can have my fan and just to not sweat all the makeup off before I even get it done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I apologize for the lighting, but it still came out pretty okay, but I didn't notice anything until I started editing. But to move on, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get going. Okay guys, so first I'm going to take some tape by the side of my eye so I can get that nice shape when I do my eyeshadow. And then first I'm going to start applying some Can't Stop Won't Stop primer by NYX onto my face. And I put this everywhere that I tend to get a little bit more oily or sweaty to prime my face. As it dries down, it starts to look a bit ashy on the skin, but once you put your foundation on and everything, it's perfectly fine. So next for my eye base, I will be mixing together this Morphe concealer in white and the e.l.f. concealer in deep cinnamon because I want a nice base but not too bright. And I'm just going to mix that on the back of my hands, place it on my eyes, and then next I'm going to take a dry Beauty Bakery sponge and I'm going to just blend all of that in. For my eyeshadows, I'm going to be using my Lunar Beauty Goddess palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Aphrodite, and I'm going to place that above my natural crease area, and I'm just going to blend that out as much as possible. Next, I'm going to be taking Calliope and I'm going to place that underneath Aphrodite and blend that out just so I can give it a nice gradient effect and a little bit of a deepening on the outer corner. Next, I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush and I'm going to get this orange shade called Artemis, and I'm going to take the smallest amount and blend out the top of that eyeshadow so that way it's a nice soft gradient and it doesn't look too harsh or anything of that nature. Next, with my finger, I'm going to take this orangey gold color called Hera, and I'm going to place that all over my lid space. And I really like this color. It just kind of brings everything together. It pops and it looks really, really pretty. So I'm just going to place that all over the lid and blend it out. And then I'm going to take my a fluffy brush from the beginning that still has Calliope on it and kind of blend that together so they kind of melt together. So now I'm going to take my Super Stay foundation in 360 Mocha, and this is by Maybelline, and it is a little bit light for me. I'm starting to get darker because it's getting hotter out, and so I have to kind of finesse this one a little bit, but I'm going to take that one and I'm going to place it all over my face and just go ahead and blend that in. You know how we do foundation as normal. Okay, and I'm going to take a damp Beauty Bakery blending sponge, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend all of that product in. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer in Rich Chocolate, and I'm just going to place that all under my eyes and anywhere else I would like for a little bit of brightening, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in with my Beauty Bakery sponge. Okay, and to finish that off, I'm just going to take my Ditz brush and I'm going to pat everything in so that way it just blends really nicely. Next, I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter powder in Banana, and I'm just going to set. I do not bake, I just put it on there and then I brush it away. Next, I'm going to take my Pat McGrath Permagel black liner, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line and waterline. After I put on the liner, I'm going to take Calliope again, the darker shade, and I'm just going to softly smudge out that bottom liner. Now I'm going to take my Perma Precision Liquid Eyeliner by Pat McGrath, and I'm just going to line the top of my eyelids so that way I can get them prepared for lashes. Okay, before my lashes, I'm just going to put on some of my Morphe setting spray. Okay, I'll be wearing the House of Lashes Knockout Lashes with my Tarte's Pro Glue and Velour tweezers, and then I'm going to blend in those lashes with my natural lashes with Dior Show Mascara. Okay, for blush, I'll be using this dark orangey red blush that I got in this palette, which I picked up from Ross. And I really love this color. I am a blush fanatic, so I just kind of put it everywhere. I love the kind of look that it gives you. I don't care if it looks crazy. I love lots of blush. For my lips, I'm taking the NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap, and I'm just going to apply that. It's a nice, pretty, like chocolatey kind of pinky brown, and I just think it looks really pretty. Okay guys, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this, and please go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe, and provide any suggestions on any looks you would like to see in the future, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys!